Hey everybody, I'm Steve Piacenza.
And I'm Kathy Fillion.
You know, everywhere we look, we're seeing furniture and home decor pieces with that vintage chalk finish.
We love this trend, and we're so excited that Plaid has come up with an easy way to achieve this look.
FolkArt Home Decor Chalk is a no-prep acrylic paint that dries in minutes.
It can be layered and sanded to create that perfect distressed look.
FolkArt Home Decor Chalk is going to transform your everyday items into one-of-a-kind treasures. Today we are making over a thrift store hutch with FolkArt Home Decor Chalk. We will be layering colors to create a flea market look. First, prep your surface, dust away any dirt, tape off any desired areas, and remove hardware. I'm base coating with oatmeal chalk. With this formula, no priming is necessary. I'm applying directly to the hutch. This is an ultra matte chalk finish. It's acrylic based, premium artist quality. Use a brush to get into all the different grooves on your project. You can also apply the chalk with a nap roller. One coat is all that is needed. Allow to dry for 2 hours before moving to the next color. Next, we applied a coat of grotto over the entire hutch. This finish will be smooth and super creamy. Each 8-ounce jar will cover approximately 20 square feet. For the third and final color, we chose salmon. We're going to apply this to the back wall of the hutch. This is going to add some great dimension to our piece. Antique wax and sanding is next. Depending on the look you want to achieve, you can sand before or after you wax. The antique or clear wax will seal and protect your project. The wax is water-based and easy cleanup. You can apply the wax with a brush or a rag. Add more or less antique wax depending on the amount of distress you desire. I like to tap the wax with a lint-free cloth. Let dry for 2 hours. Use sandpaper or a sand sponge to give your project that flea market distressed look. This will sand to a fine powder.
I don't know about you guys, but I am smitten with what Steve did with his makeover.
Turned out pretty good, didn't it?
It's awesome.
Well, let's take a look at what Kathy has done with her home decor items.
FolkArt Home Decor Chalk works on a variety of surfaces: wood, terracotta, metal, ceramic, paper, canvas, glass, plastic, and even fabrics. It's best for indoor use only. It's great for restoring your decor. Our first project is some distressed dairy bottles. First, we applied 1 coat of rich black to the bottle. It'll dry to the touch in minutes, but you'll need to wait 2 hours before applying a top coat. We used vintage mustard. Allow to dry and sand to expose the undercolor. Make more and wrap together. Ornate frames are perfect for creating a shabby look. Begin with sheepskin chalk for the base coat. It's okay to let some of the original frame color peek through. Dry brush lilac over the top and add a clear wax for a nice sheen finish. The chalk formula works great with stencils. Just tape down a stencil, add the chalk formula to a spouncer brush, and lightly tap over the stencil. Lift to reveal your design.
Create a faux patina by using antique wax over Cascade and Grotto Blue. Use a brush to get into the grooves, sand for more distressing, and use a rag to buff for a shine.
Clear wax works over any color chalk. Just apply with a brush or a lint-free rag. Let it dry 1 hour. This will really bring out the color. It will buff to a nice sheen.
Well, how much fun was that, Kath?
Awesome!
Well, we hope we've inspired you to take a look at some of our home decorating ideas.
And remember, with FolkArt Home Decor Chalk, you can restore your decor.